You want to fish?
Whoa! I saw big fish! I saw big fish!
Did you?
Yeah!
Should we try here then? Or do you still want to walk around the corner? Okay. Alright, well, let's go get the worms.
Where?
Over there on the table.
We caught a fish! We go catch a big fish!
We're gonna go catch a big fish. Say hello to your papa. Go ahead, say hello. We're gonna send this to him. Say hello, Papa.
Hello, Papa.
That's good. We're gonna send this to him, I think. Okay, here we go. He's over in France, you know. Here, we'll go this. Let's go over here. Oh, are you tangled in that tree?
I didn't.
Come on, over this way. Crazy guy. What a good boy.
Ooh, let's get some couple rocks.
Some what?
Couple rocks.
Couple of rocks?
Yeah.
All right.
You get some too.
I'll get some over there.
It's far in the water.
Okay.
Ow.
Hey, look at me one more time. Okay, we're gonna go fishing now, right?